Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver convenience group, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, remote start, premium sound system, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.